Yo, trap star, trap star. Hey.
Just gonna take this off right quick and we'll show you the rest. It's coming loose already, so. I don't know if you, oh shoot, film that part. Right there. Okay, we're gonna see what's the leaking all about. We're about to clean this up right now. Sheesh. Alright, y'all, so we about to take out the whole exhaust. Let's see what happens. Let's see if anything leaks. Yup. Just gotta smack it a little bit with the rubber hammer. A little bit on the sides. Don't go too crazy, you don't want to dent it or whatever. Yup, there we go. Alright guys, I'm just gonna grab this wrench. You squeeze in, you can see like, oh, excuse my language, but goddamn, this is like. Comment down below if y'all seen anything more dirty than this packaging. Oh my god, bro. So I found the solution into cleaning exhausts, some CLR and some of that with some hot water. Let's get it. So I'm gonna pour in the vinegar, a half a gallon CLR. About to go get that 2-stroke engine oil. Let's get it. 2 for 12, only 2 left. Meant to be. Let's get it. Dokie. So we got a little helper today. About to spray a little bit of contact cleaner. A little bit more inside here. Get it super clean. All right, y'all. Both pieces are pretty clean.
HD glasses. I need my HD glasses. I found my HD glasses. I got my HD glasses.
Clean up the little box. The air box. Just a little sun. Not that bad at all. I also, oh my bad y'all, but mix about to add to. Oh, it's like he has to. Chill, okay.
Alright, okay.
Yeah, go ahead, just put a decent amount. That should be okay. Then you start squeezing it out. He's a good companion. He's a good crazy companion. He's going your way. Hey, Toki!
Yeah, Toki.
So basically that until it gets pretty orange.
Chop Toki.
Just gonna put the air filter right back.
My HD glasses. I need my HD glasses. I found my HD glasses. I got my HD glasses.
Alright, y'all, so we about to repackage the pipe. Put some tape on it. Let's get it.
Yup. I need my. It's so dark like an addict. Can't focus without glasses. Like Cyclops with no glasses. I drink out the swamp glasses. So I'm watching no molasses. If they don't know, they twacking. You know I pass my classes.
Just gonna put the O-rings right quick. 1 and 2. Right before I put the exhaust, it's a little metal ring I gotta put inside there. Silicone, basically like this, just silicone, the metal ring. So basically that's that. We got the exhaust. Now we gotta put the muffler. And as of now, we're just gonna do an oil change. I do feel like it didn't have much, but turns out we got to strip screw. So we got a stripped drain plug. Alrighty, y'all. So about the drill bits. The other stuff too. We got the drill. We'll try our best and get this out. See how it goes.
Ask Alex, tell you shit is slapping. All my shit be slapping. Real trap shit, no capping.
So after drilling this baby off for like half an hour, moment of truth. Wow, I did it. All right, y'all, just got my magnetic drain plug, just in case there's any shreddings inside, it'll capture all that. But yeah, here we go. Ready, y'all, this is pretty clean oil, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dip it in. Get it right under, hopefully y'all can see it. And now we're just gonna add the engine oil, 2-stroke, right about there. You don't want to overfill it. Alrighty, y'all, so after 2 weeks of replacements, tune-ups, and all that stuff, I'm about to finally turn it on. Here we go, y'all.
So as y'all can see, no more black leak.
All right, so here we go, y'all. All right, y'all, so there you go. I don't really see a lot of black leak coming out, so that's good. And we're about to continue part 3, and that's pimping out the bike. Let's get it.
Hey yo, trap star, trap star.